Hello sir, so today I will present topic about acid and base. For introduction, an acid is a substance that donates protons or expels a pair of valence electrons to form a bond. A base is a substance that can expel protons or donate a pair of valence electrons to form a bond. Base can be thought of as the chemical opposite of acid. The chemical properties of acid and chemical properties of alkali. Properties color for acid is mineral acid are colorless liquids, but sometimes sulfuric acid become yellow due to impurities. Some organic acids are white-colored solid. Example: benzoic acid. For bases, bases are colors except the hydroxides of iron and copper. Taste for acid is sour, for bases is bitter. Touch for acid is nothing, and touch for base is slippery. Solubility for acid is soluble in water, and for bases is some bases are soluble in water. The strength of acid and alkali. Strong and weak acid. A strong acid is an acid which ions or viscosities completely in water to produce a high concentration of hydrogen ions. A weak acid is an acid which ionizes partially in water to produce a low concentration of hydrogen ions. Strong and weak alkalis is a strong alkali is an alkali which is fully ions in water to produce a high concentration of hydroxide ions. A weak alkali is an alkali which ion is partly in water to produce a low concentration of hydroxide ions. Stage 5 application of acid in our daily life is hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, ascorbic or citric acid, carbonic acid, and sulfuric acid. The properties of an acid and properties of alkali is acid are very common in some of the food that we eat. Citrus fruits such as orange and lemons contain citric acid and ascorbic acid, which is better known as vitamin C. Carbonate sodas contain phosphoric acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Yolk of stomach are dessert hydrochloric acid to dessert food. Acid and alkali both contain ions. Acid contains lots of hydrogen ions which have the symbol H+. Alkalis contain lots of hydroxide ions, symbol OH-. Water is neutral because the number of hydrogen ions is equal to the number of hydroxide ions. Summary for acid and base is seen acid and base were first labeled and described in the 17th centuries. Their definition has been refined over the centuries to reflect an intrusive understanding of the chemical properties. This model introduced the fundamentals of acid or base chemistry, including neutralization reaction, the relationship between hydrogen ion concentration H+ and pH is shown alongside everyday example of acid and base. According to Lewis, acids are electron pair excitators and bases are electron pair donors. Any chemical reaction that can be represented as a simple exchange of various electrons pair to break and from both is therefore an acid-base reaction. So that's all for me. Thank you.